adventurers, welcome to Magazine Mountain, Arkansas. Alright, we are starting here today at Cove Lake. This lake is a reservoir created by Cove Dam, which is where I'm standing right now, because there is no water. There's barely any water running through here. You can see a little bit. But I am driving up to Magazine Mountain, up Magazine Mountain Scenic Byway. Another beautiful overlook here of the Ozark Mountains. We are almost to the top of this twisty, turny road. Oh, awesome. Okay, adventurers, here we are at another location, the hang gliders spot. Check this out. Holy cow! Okay, that's crazy. That's really what I could hardly stand there. But at least it's blowing away from the cliff, right? Absolutely gorgeous though. Believe it or not, this is not the final point. We have one more spot to go, and it's about a short half-mile hike. Let's go. Kind of gloomy today, so I kind of got robbed of some sunlight. It's kind of dark already, but it's turning out for beautiful pre-sunset, I guess you could say. Still got another like hour before sunset, but it's looking gorgeous already. Alrighty, folks. I am coming to the end of this trail. Woo! And here we are, arriving at our final destination. My 10th state high point. The highest point in Arkansas, Mount Magazine. 2,753 feet. Woo! Signal Hill, they call it. All right. Look at this place. Have a look around. Got the signature trailhead, Highpoint benches. We got the good old sign. We got some information over here. Tours. Alright. And we got the good old mailbox registry, which I will check out in a moment. I just want to revel in this glory. Number 10. Yeah! Oh, no viewpoint here, but it was a journey getting up here. It sure was a journey. Alright, well, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna go ahead and check out this registry. Sign it in there, Happy Trail Backpacking. Oh. Ow, hit me right in the head. Ow. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, we got some Staples Records book. It's a notebook. Wow, it started in 2023. And it is filled. Holy moly. Well, not filled, but almost. Hardcover's broken off. Is there a pen in here somewhere? Yeah. There we go. Let's sign this puppy. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get headed back down because I think it's gonna tornado or something. I don't know. Feels like a storm's whipping up, but it's not supposed to storm tonight. It's supposed to storm tomorrow. But yeah, Highpoint number 10. Let's go. So last year, I said at the Missouri Highpoint, I said Illinois will probably be next. I was wrong, it was Arkansas. But I bet Illinois will be next. A little forecast foreshadowing here. But yeah, wow, this hang gliding point is insane. Oh. Anyway, guys, Highpoint number 10. That's pretty awesome. Oh. I appreciate you guys tuning in and joining me on these hikes. I had a lot of fun today. Off to my next adventure. Check me out next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.